Hello friends, welcome to another video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Dan. आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि how you can relaunch or recreate or redesign your Facebook page. अभी आपको स्क्रीन में जो पेज दिख रहा है, this is an old page that I had, but however it could not grow as I wanted it to be. Now there are a lot of factors behind this. One of the most important factors was that I was not very regular on this page. However, I have to now redesign this page and reassign the basic structure of this page to a new project that I have. Okay? तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे आप एक पेज को एक एग्जिस्टिंग पेज को रीडिज़ाइन कर सकते हो एंड रीलॉन्च कर सकते हो. तो इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखते रहिएगा. If you are coming to my channel for the first time or you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe because I create this kind of videos very regularly. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's start the video. Welcome back. So this is the page that I already have and I'm going to redesign and relaunch this page. ठीक है, तो आपको दिख रहा होगा यहाँ पे that the page does not have a lot of engagement, does not have a lot of reach. Okay, but those things will change in time. I'm not going to show you exactly how to do that right now, but I'm going to show you how you can change the cover image, the profile image and the content of this page, how you can edit this entire page. I'm doing this on the new Facebook layout and I'm using their dark theme, so that's how my Facebook is looking like now. Okay, and to start with, I'll go on the left hand navigation bar and here I'll click on this edit page info. Okay, let's edit that first. So यहाँ पे I need to change or update the new information for this page that I want to. Okay, so first thing here is the name. So I'll change the name to Pick Best Sellers. This is the new one that I want to make. Now it says your page name should accurately reflect what the page is about. We review name changes to protect the identity of the business, brands or organizations that Facebook pages represent. Now that is very important because they do not let you change the name very frequently. तो आपको जो भी नाम सोचना है, जो भी नाम लगाना है, उसको बहुत ध्यान से आपको लगाना पड़ेगा. To know more about this page name guidelines, you can click on this link. Okay. The next is the username. Username is nothing but the address that you see here on the top. Okay, right now it is love has to be around the corner. I want to change this. Okay, alright, so before I can do that, they have a confirmation here which says you're requesting the following change to your page. Okay, the current page name is this and new page name is this. Our review may take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page और चेंज द नेम अगेन फॉर 7 days. सो 7 दिनों के लिए आप इसको वापस चेंज नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू चेंज इट और अप्रूव इट मैनुअली. नाउ ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम वी मे ऑल्सो लेट द पीपल हु लाइक योर पेज नो द नेम्स बीन अपडेटेड. तो कभी कभी आपको फेसबुक में मिलता होगा नोटिफिकेशन कि ये वाला पेज जो है उसका नाम चेंज हुआ है या फिर the business purpose or some kind of information about the page has been updated. तो वही यहाँ भी होगा where they will let the users or the followers know that the name has changed. So click on request change to confirm it. तो नाम जो है वो अपडेट हो चुका है, but then we'll need a couple of days to confirm it. Now the username. So let's remove this one and let's use let's see if it is available. So it says that it's available and it is already updated. तो यहाँ पे अभी पिक बेस्ट सेलर्स दिखाई देगा. नाउ द डिस्क्रिप्शन. नाउ इस पेज इंफॉर्मेशन में बहुत सारा ऐसा जगह है जहाँ पे आपको कुछ टेक्स्ट डालने पड़ेंगे, जैसे डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड इफ यू गो डाउन यू विल हैव अदर ऑप्शंस लाइक इम्प्रेसम. ओके, प्रोडक्ट्स, एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो वो सब मैंने ऑलरेडी लिख के रखा है एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में. आप भी उसको पहले से रेडी करके रख सकते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो आई जस्ट ओपन द वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट एंड कॉपी द कंटेंट फ्रॉम देयर एंड पेस्ट इट हियर. दिस इज माई डिस्क्रिप्शन। ओके, इन सब के लिए आपको अप्रूवल का या फिर कंफर्मेशन का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, बट द कंफर्मेशन इज नीडेड ओनली फॉर द नेम चेंज हियर, राइट? ऑलराइट, next one is category. So you can choose the category from here. So it was community, the new one is also a community, so let it be like that. Contact number, yes, there is a contact number for this, which I'll update here. So that's the new number for this page, and I can select the country from here, which is India. ओके, सो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर हमने डाल दिया यहाँ पे, देन ईमेल आईडी contact@peakbestsellers.com, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज द वेबसाइट। तो यहाँ पे मैंने प्रीवियसली इसी पेज का लिंक डाल रखा था, बट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अपडेट द वेबसाइट विच इज peakbestsellers.com। ओके, तो वेबसाइट मैंने अपडेट कर दिया है। ऑलराइट, next is location. So if you want, you can update the location. It's not a mandatory thing, but then I'll just write Bangalore. तो ये एड्रेस वो सिटी में अपडेट करना पड़ेगा, बैंगलोर, कर्नाटका। ओके, यहाँ पे जिप कोड डाल देते हैं। एड्रेस की जगह में हमने डालना है, राइट? ओके, सो दिस फाइन। नाउ मैप ही ऑटोमेटिक जनरेट हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे अभी नहीं दिखा रहा है, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज एनीथिंग हियर, कैन स्क्रॉल। ओके, ऑलराइट, द नेक्स्ट इज कस्टमर विजिट माई बिजनेस एट माई स्ट्रीट एड्रेस। सो देर इज नो फिजिकल एड्रेस फॉर दिस बिजनेस एक्चुअली, तो कोई विजिट का ज़रूरत है नहीं। एंड देन वी हैव दिस एडिशनल लोकेशन डिटेल्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड because we do not want them to contact us or come to us on our physical address, ठीक है। तो सर्विस एरिया इज वर्ल्ड वाइड, सो नो पॉइंट इन मेकिंग दैट। देन वर्किंग आवर्स, हमारा कोई ऐसा वर्किंग आवर्स अवेलेबल नहीं है, वी कैन से ऑलवेज ओपन। ओके, ऑलराइट, देन इफ यू एक्चुअली हैव ए पेज फॉर अ बिजनेस विच इज ओपन ओनली ऑन सर्टेन आवर्स इन द डे, देन यू कैन चूज दिस ओपन ऑन सिलेक्टेड आवर्स एंड देन select the hours that you are open, ठीक है, as simple as that. Next is temporary service changes. So open with service changes, temporarily closed, operating as usual. इसे हमको ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी right now, but you can choose if you want to that operating as usual. Okay, so always open and operating as usual. Now next, more. यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन और भी है, choose an option to indicate how your service have changed due to कोरोना वायरस। ओके, तो ये जो ऑप्शन है वो आपको कोविड-19 का अपडेट देता रहेगा। ऑलराइट, द नेक्स्ट इज अंडर मोर यू हैव प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी। सो प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी हमारा वैसा कुछ तो है नहीं, बट वी कैन स्टिल गिव एन एड्रेस लाइक, वहाँ पे प्राइवेसी आपको मिल जाएगा। ऑलराइट, सो दैट्स प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी। नाउ कम्स द impressum. Now this impressum is used by the search engine to find your page, so be very careful while updating this content here. Okay, तो मैंने जैसे बोला, मैंने ऑलरेडी ये लिख के रखा है, I'll just copy from there and paste it here. ये है मेरा impressum, ठीक है। The next part is this is an optional field in certain countries such as Austria, Germany and Switzerland. Businesses may be required by the law to include a statement of ownership of their web presence, ठीक है। Next, under products, I'll update some of those keywords again, which will help me in the search engine optimization. So let me copy that, I'll paste it here. So these are the different products that I have. Again, it's an optional field, you can see here. Okay, now comes the additional information. This is more like a description of your page, which you can see sometimes when you open it up. Okay, तो इसको मैंने बड़ा करके लिखा है, I'll just copy that and paste it here as well. One thing about this additional description is that I have also included the rules of this page. Okay, वैसे तो पेज का रूल्स कोई वैसे इंपॉर्टेंट है नहीं, Facebook does not ask you to have a set of rules for your page. It's not a mandatory thing, but then I've just put it so that people can use it if required. Okay. Alright, so I'll just make it little readable. Alright, so that's I have in the additional information field. नेक्स्ट है प्राइस रेंज. प्राइस रेंज हमारा वैसा कुछ है नहीं, अनस्पेसिफाइड भी रख सकते हैं, बट देन यू कैन कीप इट लाइक मॉडरेट. okay, so that people coming to your page and looking for some service that you offer can have an idea of how much expensive or cheap you are. okay, all right. Next is other accounts. Enter account or username. I don't want to enter anything right now here because I have not set up any Instagram or anything else as of now, but once I have an Instagram feed or a page on Instagram or Twitter or something, I can add it here. तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं क्या क्या ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. ट्विटर, स्नैपचैट, यूट्यूब, ट्वीच, व्हाट्सएप, all these options are there. You can add them here. So for now I'll just add my YouTube, क्योंकि कुछ वीडियोस ऐसे हैं जो कि मैं इस वेबसाइट में भी यूज़ करता हूँ और यूट्यूब में भी, हमारा जो चैनल है उसमें भी यूज़ करता हूँ. तो लेट मी राइट द यूज़र नेम ऑफ दैट. एंटर अकाउंट यूज़र नेम. यू जस्ट नीड टू राइट द यूज़र नेम. सो द यूज़र नेम इज़ द इंडियन फ्रीलांसर. वो तो आपको ऑलरेडी पता हो ही गया होगा. क्लिक ऑन ऐड. सो दिस वन इज सेव्ड. ठीक है. So that's all I have in the info of this page section. ठीक है. Then settings में चलते हैं and let's see what we have here. This page isn't available right now. Alright, so settings may be something which they are coming up with right now, but it's not available. So go back. यहाँ पे एक new notification आया है from Facebook. So let's open it up and see. You can see here, Pick Bestsellers changed the name of the page, Is This Love, to Pick Bestsellers, and it is now approved by Facebook as well. You can see your request to change your page's name has been approved. So that's good. Let's get back to our page. So ये हम वापस अपने पेज में आ गए. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो the name has changed, Pick Bestsellers, and the username has also changed. ठीक है, at Pick Bestsellers, right? You can see it here on the address bar as well. Now the next two things that I need to change is the profile photo and the cover photo. So to change the profile photo, I'll just click on this small camera and I'll click on edit profile picture. Here there are options where I can use the existing pictures that we have already on this page. Okay, but I'm going to upload a new photo. So let's do that. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो मैंने ऑलरेडी एक फ़ोटो डिज़ाइन करके रखा है. सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट दैट एंड क्लिक ऑन ओपन. So it took a few seconds to upload the image, and depending on your broadband or your Wi-Fi speed, this will take more or less time. Okay, so this is how the image will look on the page. I'm not going to change. You can zoom it in or zoom it out. I'll just keep it as default. You can have a description as well. So I'll just write okay. ठीक है, तो इसको सेव कर देते हैं यहाँ पे. So you can see the new image is showing up here right now. Okay, the next thing is the cover image. For that I'll click on this edit button here. Okay, and again there are options to choose from photos, choose from videos, edit slideshow. Okay, I'm going to just click on upload photo, and again I have already created the photo. Okay, these I've created actually using Canva. मेरे चैनल में आपको बहुत सारे ट्यूटोरियल्स मिल जाएंगे how to use Canva. I have used Canva to create this both these images. Okay, so select this and click on open. Again it will take a few seconds to upload that image. Now here you can drag it to reposition the image. Okay, if you want to make it little smaller, or like just drag it up and down to put it in the right position. So I think this is fine for me. So just click on save changes. तो changes save हो गए and you can see the updated page cover image here. Okay, so that's all you need to do to relaunch or redesign your existing Facebook page. What all we have done, we have gone to the page info and we have changed the page name, page description, page username and all those text fields that we had. Then we came here and we updated the profile image and the cover image as well. So that's all you need to do. So from now on, whatever I publish on peakbestsellers.com, I'll try to share that information on this Facebook page as well. So that's all I have in this video for today. I hope you like this. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो एक लाइक ज़रूर दीजिएगा और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ और परिवार के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. There are a lot of people who are looking for this kind of information and they will be helped if you can share this with them. तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए Facebook पर, WhatsApp पर, wherever you want to. Thanks again for watching this video till the end. I am very grateful to have you here. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.